Hello everyone. Today we are starting with our new topic on matrices for class 12, which is the first is equality. The words defined is own definition. Equality is equal. Equal is Aij is equals to B, means the matrix A is equals to matrix B. Then all the elements of matrices is also equals to matrices B. But there are some conditions in this, that both the matrices are of same order, means m into n and this m into n is always equal. So we will take some example to clarify it. Means one matrices we are taking 4 3 x 5 is equals to y z 1. This means Aij, the A first letter is equals to first letter. Second way means second. 5 is equals to 5. 1 is equals to 6. So in this first example, we have to find the value of x, y, z from the given matrices. In this matrix, the first element of A is equals to second element, first element of the B matrix, which is A11 is equals to B11, as the both matrices are equal. So the element y is equals to 4. It is given here. Z is equals to 3. And similarly x is equals to 1, and we can see that the fourth element 5 is equals to 5, which is given in the matrices. Now we are starting with our second example, which is also asked in the CPSC 2011 paper examination. The question is, write the value of x minus 5 plus z from the following equation. The equation is given in the question. So first, as we all know that these two matrices are of equal sign, equality, and the matrices are of 3 by 1 and 3 by 1. So x plus y plus z is equals to 9, x plus z is equals to 5, and y plus z is equals to 7. So we are putting the second equation in first one. Putting second equation in first. So we get x plus z, y plus 5 is equals to 9. So y is equals to 9 minus 5, which is, then put the value of y in the third equation, then we get z is equals to 7 minus 4, which is equals to z equals to, and for the value of x plus 3 is equals to 5, then x is equals to, from the second equation. Then we have got the three values. X is equals to 2, y is equals to 4, and z is equals to 3. Now we have to find the value of x minus y plus z. So x minus y plus z, x 2 minus 4 plus 3, which minus 2 plus 3, which is equals to 1. In this third example, this is also asked in CPSC 2010. To find the value of x from the following. We have given the equation which is equal to A is equals to B. We are giving two matrices. As we can see, the element A 21 is equals to B21, and this is also equal. So y is equals to 2. Then this is also equals to 2x minus y is equals to 6. We are putting the value of y in the question second. So 2x minus 2 is equals to 6. 2x equals to 4. X is equals to 2. It is the asking answer. Very simple question. Now we are moving on this third topic of the matrices, addition of the matrices. Addition. As we have the two matrices A m into n and B m by n. If the both the matrices of the are of same order, then only we can apply the addition. Then only the two matrices can be added. Otherwise, the two matrices cannot be added. So, and the first thing also, matrices addition is communicative. Which means A plus B is equal to C, then B plus A is also equals to C. Okay. So we are taking with us a very short example of the addition of the matrices. And then we are given with the two matrices 2, 4, 1 and matrices A and matrices B 5 A 2. We have to add both matrices as we are seeing 2 by 2 both the matrices are of same order, then we can add them A plus B, then A 2 1 4 3 plus 5 2 8 1. The sum of the both matrices is 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 3, 4 plus 8 12, 3 plus 1. This is the, we can also see matrices which is also will be same. Now moving on to the second example. In this we are given with the two matrices A and B, and we have to find the value of 3A plus B. So first 3 A matrices 2 4 3 plus matrices B minus 2 5 3. In this matrices, first we have to multiply the 3 in the internal matrix, then we can add. So how to multiply? We have to multiply the first element with all the elements of the matrices inside. Yes, 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So multiplying the matrices 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 2 plus minus 2, 3, 5, 8. We have to about 4. Hence we can see 3 into 2, 6, 9, 12 and 6 plus matrices B minus 2, 5, 3, 4, which is also equals to 6 minus 2, 4, 12 plus 5. How is it? 4. 6 plus minus 2. 12 plus 5. 9 plus 3. And 6 plus 4. So here we can get 6 minus 2, 4. 12 plus 5, 17, 9 plus 3, 12, and 6 plus 4. This is also 2 by 2 matrices. So the answer of 3A plus B is equals to this matrix, which is the answer. So now we are stopping here, and we will continue on the another video for subtraction and further multiplication and division of the matrices. So please take care of yourself, and goodbye.